Hello everyone. I'm sure by now using KNIME you've run into some errors, and usually once you have an error, the first step is to try to read the message here, try to solve it. If you can't, you might want to go on to the KNIME community forum and you might have some answers there. I'm going to show you how to get more information for your errors and potentially fix the error. So this is going to look into more advanced debugging in KNIME. So here I've caused an error with my Excel reader node. I basically tried to read a sheet that doesn't exist for the specific file. So you can see here I have an error message if I hover, and I also have the same error message here using the workflow monitor. Now, one thing you could do to get even more detail is in your preferences, if you just search for debug. If you search for debug, you're going to see the log file log level. Make sure this is set to debug. I think by default it's not. I think it's set to warn or info, but it's not set to debug by default. So you could change that to get even more details on all your errors. Once you have that, you need to try to find your logs files. Now your log file is going to be in your KNIME workspace. So you click on your KNIME workspace, wherever that is. You need to go into your metadata. And you might think it's this one, but it's not that. It's actually inside the KNIME folder, and it is the file called KNIME. Click on this. It says knime.log. This is your log file. This is your detailed log files for your workflows. Now we're going to scroll all the way down. I ran this node around 9:17. So look for the same timestamp. So yeah, around here. Yeah, so this is where we got that error. The sheet does not exist in this file, and then these are all the details. So looking at these details might help you, and if you want to contact KNIME support, you actually usually you'll need to send them these details. Now another step that you can do, I've only used this method once and I can't remember exactly what I used it for, but it did help me solve the issue. So another layer you could do is you could actually examine the code behind the node. So the node is the Excel reader node that we're having an error, and if we look into the XML file, honestly, like this is easy for me to read. It's kind of just like English. Just like study it, you might see something that could point you to what the issue might be, and this could help you as well. So these are more, advanced debugging steps. They involve some code which you can read. You can copy and paste into your favorite LLM to help you decipher. These steps could help you with more advanced debugging in KNIME. I hope this helps somebody. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.